Hi guys, today we are talking about Qualcomm, a multinational corporation based in San Diego, California that makes software and semiconductors, and asking, are they a good buy and do they have potential for growth? Welcome to Disruptive Wealth Creation. My name is Steve. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you enjoy this video, please give us a like, and for more content please hit the subscribe button below. So let's get into it. Let's start with a short introduction as to who Qualcomm are, what they sell or produce, and then have a look at their financials and see if they are a good buy. So who are they and what do they do? In short, Qualcomm creates intellectual property, semiconductors, software and services related to wireless technology. Their CEO is Cristiano Amon. On their website they state that they powered the third and the fourth generation of smart water revolution, connecting billions of people, and they are now in the forefront of 5G. Qualcomm are involved in smart audio. They're also involved in industrial and commercial. They're involved in mobile computing and networking. And they have chips and software in smartphones, smart cities and smart homes. So let's investigate this company more closely. We need to ask a few questions. First, who has the largest holdings of Qualcomm? Currently, the largest holdings of Qualcomm are from Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, Vanguard 500, Fidelity Contra Fund, and Invesco QQQ Trust ETF. Next question, who are Qualcomm's main competitors? Well, the main competitors are NVIDIA, AMD, Texas Instruments and Intel. Intel do most of their manufacturing themselves. Qualcomm partners with Samsung and TSM, and other competitors do the same. So, are there any analysts that are bullish about Qualcomm? Daniel Newman from Futurum Research Analyst is quite bullish on Qualcomm, stating that all the indicators are positive, and although Qualcomm missed the revenue target by a small amount, it was due to supply shortages and not demand. Growth last quarter made $8.23 billion, and analysts had expected $8.27 billion, leading to a drop in the share price. The lack of supply was mainly due to strong sales in automotive companies, computers, game boxes and home entertainment, and then of course there was the US trade restrictions on Chinese chip makers. In 2019, Qualcomm's market share of China's smartphone chip market was 37.9%. This fell to 25.4% in 2020 due to US sanctions on Huawei. It will be interesting to see how this develops. So let's have a look at the financials. Let's start with Qualcomm's balance sheet. Cash and short-term investment is $12.30 billion. Total debt and total liabilities are only $15.73 and $30.10 billion respectively. If we look at Qualcomm's income, the net income for the December quarter growth percentage was 165.41%. The sales revenue was $8.24 billion, and the sales and revenue growth was 62.29%. If we look at the shares over a 1 month period, we can see that they're slowly going up. The market cap is $150 billion. The shares dipped when the government imposed sanctions on China, and then again recently dipped when the revenue expected targets were not met. So, is Qualcomm a good buy? Well, it has over 150 5G licensing agreements with major handset equipment manufacturers. Snapdragon is doing really well. That's Snapdragon 800. It also is a market leader in 5G chipsets, and it is successful in the gaming cell phone segment. And there is growth in the RF front-end segment year on year. And settlement of many of the lawsuits, including Apple, have been sorted. And of course, they have had an increase in sales and earnings. Although 5G is upon us, it is going to be more comprehensive than 4G and make more of an impact. If Qualcomm is to do well, it needs to sort out its supply of chips so that when the 5G wave comes, it does not miss it. Would I invest in Qualcomm? I'm still holding on for that moment. Let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and if you'd like to see more content, remember to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you, and see you in the next video.